A Figma library is a file with reusable design assets, such as components, styles, colors, and icons, that can be shared across other Figma files. How to create a new library in Figma. Step 1. Create a new file, open Figma. Click the plus New File button from the Drafts or any project folder. Give your file a clear name like Design System Library or Component Library. Step 2. Build components and styles. Inside this file, start adding your reusable design assets, components, buttons, cards, navigation bars, modals, etc. Text, styles, headings, body text, captions, color, styles/variables, brand colors, backgrounds, borders, effect, styles, shadows, blurs, elevation layers, grid/layout styles, spacing systems. Use Ctrl + Alt + K to create components from selected elements. Step 4. Publish the library. Once you're happy with your setup, click the Assets panel, top left sidebar. Click the library icon, book symbol. Select the Publish button in the library modal. With Figma's free plan, you can't publish libraries, but you can copy components from your library file into any project and edit them as needed.